Hi Ralph.
Hi.
So we have just started our journey. This is the first day. Going out. Well, this beautiful property is actually in the middle of the jungle at Surla Ghat. This is how it looks. This is the entrance. This is actually on the highway from Goa to Belgaum. That is how the mountain of Western Ghat looks like. And now we will go down from there. It's a small trek because the water is not too much, so I'm thinking we'll go down a little bit to catch some better glimpse, better view. We are going down. All of my friends are left. I'm stuck here a little bit shooting some videos so that you can visualize and understand how and from where how it is done. The treks are fun though. You have to be a little careful. There is almost nobody, so that's a good thing. A little tricky because I have my GoPro with me and then I'm shooting in a phone right now and also my DSLR. So walking with all the things is tricky and I don't want to somehow scratch my camera lenses. Yep. Got down from there. Now I have to go there. This part is a little tricky, so that's how I'm shooting you. That's my leg, and if I put my leg there, there is nothing, and it goes down. That's the
Rock climbing. Yes, rock climbing in Karnataka. Yes. So happy trip. bear.
Ah. So we have just visited few of the places we wanted to. We visited one waterfall. If you have seen my video, you have already seen the waterfall. The trek was short, it was just 10 minutes, but it was little tricky. The path or the trail to the waterfall is very narrow, and there are like gorges you can actually fall down. So anyway, it was good. It was good. We really got refreshed, the fresh air, and you can see that side is actually a panoramic view. And here is the small Hindu temple where we went. It's actually an old ancient temple. Just 2 years back they built it again, and in January they will have a festival. This is right now, we are not in Goa, we just crossed the border into Karnataka. These places are like, scattered around Goa and Karnataka. Some villages would be in Goa, but to go there you'll have to cross Karnataka and then move in Goa. So Goa, I would name this Goa beyond beaches and parties. It is not only the beaches or the parties or some other things like music festivals Goa is famous for, but actually if you love nature, if you are someone who values and cherishes this, or if you are someone who is interested into wildlife, trekking, waterfalls, hilly Western Ghat areas, this is the place. This place is called Surla Ghat in Goa Karnataka border, and there are 5 waterfalls. There is Sada Waterfall, Bora Waterfall, Khalsa Waterfall, and the most famous is Surla. So we'll be going there tomorrow. So now we'll go down there to take some more videos. This is another small stream. Okay, I'm gonna So guys, this beautiful waterfall is called Chigule. This is another waterfall. This is the second waterfall which we are visiting. We have visited the Perivar or the Bore waterfall, and now this one. This is near from the village where we're staying at Delta Eco Huts, just few kilometers away. But this part is not in Goa; it's in Karnataka. And just after the monsoon, the water is just pretty much enough. And there is a small pool here, you can actually swim. Water is really clear. Clean water, as you can see. So today is fun. We have visited one temple, 2 waterfalls, and tomorrow we will have some more treks. This is the view this side. And our friends are sitting there on top. This is our local guide and friend. He is from the village here, so he's showing us the best places and waterfall here. So thanks to him. We have just come back to our hotel after the day trip. We have visited few waterfalls and 2 temples and 2 beautiful waterfalls. And this is the beautiful swimming pool here. It's also an infinity swimming pool. And we have the view from the swimming pool to the river. This is the confluence of Khalsa and Surla river. There's a small streams which is flowing out from Khalsa and Surla waterfall.
Goa, 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 meri jaan, hey, Goa, 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 meri jaan. Having fun in the jungle. After coming back from the treks and the temples, now we are back in our hotel and preparing our bonfire, and that's the barbecue there. We have marinated some chicken with our friends at home, and now we'll be cooking them. The bonfire is really fun.
morning. Good morning from Goa. Good morning from Kazakhstan and good morning from Russia. We with friends, this is our second day, and today morning after having a nice breakfast at Delta Eco Huts, we have come out. We are on the road again. Ralph is taking us to the small local village. So from this village we will start our trek. But first we have to find someone to guide us through the jungle. We had a little problem actually because of that. We couldn't go through the normal trek route or trail, so we have decided to go bypassing the checkpost of the forest department. And after visiting the village from there, we will take a trek. Maybe it will take 1 hour to reach Surla, and maybe after Surla we will also visit Khalsa Waterfall. That's the plan. Yesterday was, if you are watching our video, you have already seen that yesterday we have visited 2 small waterfalls, which are small but very beautiful and secluded. The nature, the landscape was fabulous. That was Chigule Waterfall, and another was called Parvar or Bore Waterfall. And then we visited one Satari temple and another temple in Chigule village. From there, the viewpoint over the Western Ghat Mountain, over the Sayadri Mountain was just amazing. So we are hoping for the best. This is just the morning, just the beginning of the day. Today we will be coming back to the hotel a little earlier because we have a plan of spending more time at the swimming pool. At Delta Eco Huts, they also have a infinity swimming pool overlooking the confluence of Khalsa and Surla River. Just bang on the bank of the river the hotel is situated, so we are in a nice place. So watch our full video, stay tuned, because lots of good things are going to come up, and you would know lots of secret places where very few people, very few travelers know these places, or very few bloggers will actually tell you about these places. So that's the whole point. That's the reason that I will be in this season in Goa. I will be exploring the most beautiful, unique, secret places in Goa. That's the plan.
Let's go!
Just entered Madhi Wildlife Sanctuary, and we came to this beautiful water on the top, beautiful ground, grasses all around, and we are going to that side there. The viewpoint, and we are expecting some nice views there. So let's go. After a long hustle, somehow we managed, and we just started. This is the small village, that small village there. From there we just started our trek. Finally, maybe we would be enjoying the beauty of Surla Waterfall, one of the biggest waterfall in Goa, by the way.
Yedim dar kiri kah.
That's how trekking in the Western Ghat Mountain at Goa, Karnataka border looks like. Me and Ralph going a little slow because I'm shooting some video. Other friends a little ahead of us. It's been a nice day. Yesterday we also had fun, and today
Strong fun. Extreme fun.
actually there was some accident at one of the waterfalls, so it's little been critical. Actually they are not allowing some tourists. So first nobody was ready to take us, but then somehow we managed. And we are going now. I always like this kind of forest. It has a diverse nature in it. 5 minutes we'll be walking. We are walking in through the dense forest, and now look at this. This is the open plateau. These are the places where most of the animals will be grazing. Well, after like 40 minutes of trek, we're just going out from the jungle, and that's the view. We are going there. Let's see. After walking for 40 minutes through the jungle, we just came out from the forest, and this is the view in front of us. And that there is the famous Surla Waterfall I have been dreaming to visit and wanted to show you guys. See, that's a look.
guys, it's just refreshing. If you are in Goa, I would say Surla Waterfall rocks, man. It's a must visit. Watch the full video and you will really know why I'm saying this. We're swimming here in this pool. It's fresh water, completely clean and transparent. We are just having fun. I'm completely refreshed. It is like, lots of energy in it. The water is cold and little chilly, and that's the fun.
That's how the local thali in Western Ghat Mountains looks like. This one is my favorite. That's shira, made of suji, some dal, achar, local rice, some vegetables with potato and dal. And another favorite thing is sol curry. Sol curry is one more favorite thing which is very typical to Goa. It's made of coconut, and even they put coconut water, which is also good for digestion. That is the view we are sitting with. This is our swimming pool there. It's also an infinity pool. That's the river, the rivulet or the stream coming from Surla Waterfall and Khalsa Waterfall. That's the confluence where both the river meeting, and that's where we are sitting today. That's our place. That's our swimming pool. That's the view around, and that is here we are sitting. That's our dining place. Another beautiful morning from Goa, and today after our breakfast I decided to take a small trip walking through the jungle trails, and we found this beautiful hidden place actually. Just a few hundred meters away is from the Khalsa Waterfall, which is another beautiful waterfall, but we couldn't go there because a few weeks back there was a mishap, there was an accident,
So the forest department actually barricaded all the all the trails going inside. So somehow we managed to actually walk for a few minutes and come to this beautiful stream. From here, a few hundred meters ahead, this stream is actually falling down and created the Khalsa waterfall. But let me show you the view around.
Dana.